So Google just jumped into the streaming market, guys. Announced today along with Android 10 for Android TV that they will be releasing a new Android TV box or dongle, whatever you guys want to call it. Let's go ahead and jump into the details. Alright, so if you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, check the description for VPN deals as well as related playlists for this channel. So here's a look at Google's new streaming box. It's called the ADT3 and it does come with Android 10. So I am going to jump into the details in a little bit, but please drop your comments. Let me know if it's something that's more attractive to you just because it's directly from Google, which means that you will get a clean Android feel to it, no bloatware. You also will get frequent updates, so that's a big plus. But drop your comments, let me know what you guys think. So today Google revealed Android 10 on Android TV, a system that will bring Android TV up to speed with the rest of the Android universe. So this will bring Android API level 29, which in turn will bring on what Google described as recent performance and security updates with Android TV 10. So already they're pushing that, hey, this is a Google device. We're gonna go ahead and make sure this is locked down, make sure it's secured, make sure that you get the best experience out of it. So I'm not gonna read the entire article. I want to jump into some of the specifications. If you scroll down a little bit more, it doesn't give you much details on the release date. It just says that it will be available in the next couple months. So as far as the specifications, ADT3 will roll out with a quad-core A53 chipset, 2 gigs of DDR3 RAM, 4K at 60 frames per second, HDR, and also HDMI 2.1. That sounds good and dandy, but nothing mentioned about the onboard storage. And if you guys find it somewhere else in another article, drop it in the comment section. Let me know. Not sure if there's going to be more like the Mi box or more like the Chromecast. Just looking at it, you can't really tell much, guys. You do have the remote, which looks pretty standard. Volume button, you have the Google Assistant, the home button, menus and applications, but on the device, look like there's a reset button, LED. You also have a HDMI out. So like I said, not a lot of details on this. Just want to make you guys aware. And one more thing that I'm looking at, it says it will be made available to developers in the coming months for purchase online through an OEM partner. So with that verbiage right there, it will be made available for developers. So I'm not sure how it's gonna affect the consumer in there, and if we're gonna be able to get the same experience from this device if it's purchased. So like I said, this is just a first look at Google's new AD3, which is a new streaming device that will support Android 10. Drop your comments in the comment section below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if this has promise. Look like the Mi box is on its last leg. Let me know if it's something you'll think of purchase. Let me know what price point works for you. As always, don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video, share this video as well. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.